Hey friends, hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Okay friends, now as of today is 23rd October and we are into the finalization of our accounts. Okay, so even the tax audit date is approaching nearby us and we have to do a lot of finalization these days. Okay, so today I will explain you the most important entry which you have to pass at the year end and at the time of finalization of your accounts. Okay, so today I will teach you that how you have to pass your depreciation entry on your fixed asset. Okay, so depreciation, the first meaning of depreciation is it is an expense, it is an adjustment entry, and depreciation is charged because of wear and tear of your fixed asset. Okay, so whenever you purchase your fixed asset and you use it, even though you don't use it, but still it is being purchased and the wear and tear caused because of the use of that asset. So we should depreciate its values. We should subtract the actual value from the amount of expenses we made on that. Okay, and that expense is considered as depreciation. Alright friends, so today what we will study, how we have to make the depreciation entries. Fine. Now first of all, if this is your tally data, just go to fixed asset. Okay, I will just go to configure. Okay, F12. Show opening balance, yes. Show transaction, yes. Okay, now why I have pressed this or why I have clicked on configure. Okay, so because if you're having opening balance, okay, and if you made any transaction regarding purchase as well as sale, if you made purchase, it will reflect in debit side, and if you made sales of that fixed asset, it will reflect on your credit side. Okay, even that things we have to consider while passing the entry for depreciation. Right now there is no transaction in my accounts and only what I'm having is my opening balance. So right now I will provide the entry for depreciation on year end date. Okay, now first is the plot. Remember, for land there is always 0% depreciation because land never depreciates, it get appreciates. Okay, do you know that the value of land is increasing day by day, so we don't have to make any depreciation entry for plot. Now next is electric equipment. I will just press enter. Okay, now just first give the financial year. Okay, and at the year end, that is on March. Okay, press enter and now press the shortcut key as Alt A, which will directly take you to accounting voucher creation. Okay, now date is 31st March. Now I have to make this entry through journal voucher because there is no actual payment by cash or by bank. Okay, it is just an adjustment entry, but the expense has to be debited. Okay, now I will write as depreciation to debit side. There is no ledger, so I will press the shortcut key as Alt C and I will directly create the ledger. Depreciation account goes in the indirect expense. Okay, now on what I am providing the depreciation. Okay, you must be getting confused every time that on what amount you have to make the depreciation. So first of all, I will just explain you the shortcut method which I am using. I want to provide depreciation on electric equipment. Okay, you can see the value over here, 16,522. Press Ctrl N so that your calculator will get on. Type as 16,522.85 into. Okay, so rate of depreciation on electric equipment is 10%. Okay, enter. So it is 1652.285. Okay, so I will just round it off to 1653. But debit should be my depreciation account. 2. Electric equipment being depreciation charged at the rate 10%. Okay, accept. Fine. Again, I will just go to configure. Show opening balance, yes. Transaction, yes. And now you can see over here that I have provided my depreciation entry of 1653 for electric equipment and my value has been reduced for its closing balance 14,869, and this will be my opening balance for next financial year. Okay, so I have provided my depreciation entry. Okay, one more entry for your verification I will show you again. Okay, for Mahindra XUV, just press enter. Alt A. Okay, what is the date? Let's see. It should be 31st March. Okay, now Mahindra XUV. What is the amount? Control N. 582 828 into 15%. It is 87,424. Now go to main screen. The shortcut key is Control plus M. So 87,424. Okay, 2. Now here it should be my depreciation account. Depreciation 87,422, 424. 2. Mahindra XUV. Okay, now repeat the narration. Control R. Being depreciation charged at the rate 15%. Accept it. Okay. Yeah, you can see over here Mahindra XUV 87,424 depreciation I have provided, and my value has been reduced to 4,95,000. Okay. Now another effect where the depreciation goes. So go to profit and loss account, go to indirect expense, and here you can see depreciation account. Okay. So like this way you have to make your depreciation entries. I still have to make the depreciation entries for all my assets, but just I have shown you the demo that how you have to make your depreciation entries at the year end. Alright friends, I hope you must have liked my video. So do subscribe my YouTube channel for more accounting related videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.